Hi friends, Dr. Ramadevi Papalu here, fertility specialist. Today I am going to discuss one of the interesting subject like embryo donation. This comes under third party reproduction. Embryo donation is essential for whom? Who are the candidates for embryo donation? One important common embryo donation indication is repeated failures of IVF. While doing, we don't find any abnormality. Physically, all the embryos appears normal. We get good number. Morphologically and uh, multiplication rate, everything will be normal. In spite of that, some people don't conceive. Then we have to think some embryo toxicity is there. In those cases, embryo donation is done. And in some women who want to, elderly women who want to conceive, because in elderly women there is a possibility of chromosomal abnormality and their oocytes number quality will be less, embryo quality will be less, and congenital abnormalities are expected in higher number. So, in those cases also embryo donation is advised. In some women who wants to have have a pregnancy, but they don't want to undergo all the trouble of stimulation, and because embryo donation success rate will be much better than stimulation cycles. So, some people opt, single women who want to conceive, they also can have embryo donation. In rare conditions in India, sometimes a poor woman who cannot afford all these long protocol medicines, investigations and all, if they are poor, they request the clinic to donate the supernumerary embryos available in the clinic with the consent of the parents, previous patient, to whom these embryos belong. So, these are the indications for embryo donation. Embryo donation also, all the paperwork should be done systematically according to the ICMR guidelines, so that there will not be any problem for the donated parents or recipient or to the clinic. Okay, no? Thank you.